Okay, here's our outside again, and our front doors. Nice tile. That goes into the kitchen, and when you walk in, you've got this nice sized living room, vaulted ceiling. Oops, there's a step there. Nice brand new carpet. Got nice windows. And I'm walking all the way back to the corner here so you can see how big it is. It's a pretty good size living room. And you get your sliding glass doors. You got a huge lanai. And you have to go up steps. And through here you got your kitchen. You got your appliances, nice appliances, brand new appliances. You got some more living space in here. You got a pantry. Nice pantry. You got again your tiles, same as it is in the entry. Nice. And you got a fireplace. Built-in table here. Nice feature. Got a little sink over there. Nicely decorated. Clean. Very clean. Again, that's the front door. Let's go in here. This is your washer and dryer room. Pretty good size there. Your water heater, your AC, whatever that is. This is the garage. Nice size garage. Okay. Again, you get the same tile. Nicely done. And we'll go this way, and then we got another sliding door to go out to the patio. We got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms on this side. Good sized rooms too. Good closet. And you got your fenced in yard back here. And yeah, it looks like you got intercom system throughout the house too. And it looks like a nice, and it's not that bright green actually. From my view here, it doesn't look that green. There we go, that's more like it. Not bad looking actually, it's pretty cute for a green bathroom. Nice. Green marble. It's actually quite pretty. But again, that's my opinion. Let's see what's out here. That's your toilet. I guess I'm not going to open that just yet. We'll figure that out in a minute. I think it just goes outside. And another nice size room. Another good sized closet. Intercom again. Carpet. And another bedroom. Intercom. Closet's a little smaller than this one, but this would be a good one for an office space, maybe. As you can see out here how big your yard is. It's really nice. Nice sized yard. Nice screened-in patio. can see the backyard is pretty good size. Got a nice shed. That's nice. Okay, on the other side of the house we go. We're back over here, which I believe is the master suite. Wow, it's a big master suite. Look at that. The walk-in closet. Good size room. Really nice neighborhood too. Intercom. Walk-in closet for the ladies. Nice. A little place for your shoes. Look at that. And master bathroom. That's just the one sink. Nice features though. Tile. Nice glass.